So you say Chinese said to you now?
You mean the one with me clothes?
Eh.
They go right in a supermarket, man.
Eh.
Listen me. One Chinese woman over there, so. One over here, so. Me say to the Chinese, say, send me one pack of Rough Rider. Here is Sawanya. Here is Sawanya. Chai. Ah, I couldn't have been there, no. Me just turn up and I say, leave me clothes alone. And me press them, and me wash them. Not another word out time out, man. He shut him out, man. Because he knows me clothes. And me clothes was fit full for me, no. Because when me a go out, me go out good, me brother. How are you, man?
Where you say that Chinese?
Eh?
Where you say that Chinese?
Mr. Chinese, leave me clothes alone.
No, what you said to him? Why Chinese said to you?
But he could have nothing.
Why Chinese said to you?
He does nothing to me.
No, what?
Me said to him, say, tell me one pack of Rough Rider.
Eh.
He said, Chinese, call to that the Chinese woman. Chinese, I could me out to that. Me turn on and me look at him, me say, lady, leave me clothes alone. And me wash them, and me press them. Not another word out time out, because me know some clothes in the street full pan. Yeah.
So what else in do? What else in do?
Nothing.
Alright. Why next one again?
He just telling me Rough Rider and me come out left them.
Alright. Why next one they will meet up with the Chinese them again?
The
Why?
leg. When me go to him and me say, when me had that done, when me say to him, say, when me take up me go studio now and go to him and in cash, me look for him, he say, Chinese, leg them pretty low. Ah, could do that, could do that. He said, no, me a talk about me say, Chinese leg them pretty. Ah, one day I feel laugh when the court, the restaurant in here, two blood trees, man. You know, see, me go look at the woman and say, wow, you leg them pretty do. Damn, look at that, baby. Lord God Almighty. Mr. Me laugh with you, man. God no, man.
Alright.
You think you know what I'm saying? You know what this is saying?